Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you guys around my apartment. I live in downtown Charleston on King Street and I'm about to move to Mount Pleasant, but before I do, I just want to document this and show you guys what it's like to live in Charleston, so I hope you guys enjoy watching. So when you walk into my apartment, you see my living room. That's my pink couch that I got from Wayfair, and these are just some coffee table books and a fake plant. And then I have some floor pillows and my TV and a basket full of blankets. And then all over my apartment, I have displayed some of my artwork that I've painted because it's just one of my favorite hobbies. And yeah, it's just like an overview of my living room. And then we'll go over to my bookshelf, which I just have random things like books and sunscreen, necessities like sunglasses, and that's another bookshelf. Now we're in my kitchen, and I just have cutting boards, and then this wall I have a bunch of pictures of groups I've been in over the course of my life, and that's like my best friend wall with pictures of my best friends. Here's my room with a little swing that I love, and then that's another picture wall from pictures of my blog. This is my only window. It leads to an alley. Can't see out of it. It's kind of depressing. And then my bedside table with my devotional and a picture of my mom. And yeah, this is just a wall full of decor and my makeup desk, and this clothing rack I hang items that I haven't worn yet. And then at this apartment I've been lucky enough to have 2 closets, so yeah, I'm just showing you what they look like. They have lights that turn on inside of them, and I forgot what that thing is called, but yeah, I've loved having all this space. And then I'm showing my picture wall again, and then here's my bathroom. Nothing too interesting. I have a little shower cart that I just showed and tassels hanging on my window. But yeah, it's kind of a short and sweet video, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching.